Camera 1 or camera 2? Camera 2, okay.
And we're live in 3, 2...
Live from Rockville, Texas, I'm George Gleecrest, and this is FTX's Christmas at Rockville Plaza, with performances by Ariana Grande and Kelly Clarkson, special appearances by Howie Mandel and David Blaine, and behind me, the real star of the show, the Rockville Plaza Christmas Tree. After the break, up-and-coming female group, the Sleigh Bells. You won't want to miss it. Oh my God, that was bad. Was that bad? What about a 9 on the tension scale? I got asked to reflex that I'm sweating. Oh my God, can you tell that I'm sweating?
I can't tell. You're doing swell, mister. Yeah, you really are. You don't seem nervous at all.
I don't really? Really? Oh God.
Faces for Sleigh Bells girl group.
Excuse me, we're women.
Sorry about that. Sleigh Bells women's group.
Women's group? Women's not
Sorry. Sleigh Bells human group. Places, please.
Camera 1,
We're
camera
on
2.
3, 2.
And we're back with the first ever Christmas at Rockville Plaza. Our first performance is by up-and-coming gal group, the Sleigh Bells. Check out their album, Christmas, 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 out on iTunes today. Performing Wonderful Christmas Time, the Sleigh Bells. The Sleigh Bells. Stay tuned, a special appearance by Howie Mandel after the break.
We have a problem. Turns out the celebrities will not be attending.
Wait, they're not attending. What?
The show? Where have you been? They're not attending the show. Oh, that's sad. Oh, that's bad.
We should be ahead of ourselves. Maybe they're like a little late, so we're traffic.
They're all stuck at the Rockville airport.
Oh, well, hey, go back on in a few minutes, guys. What are we going to do? It looks like we're going to have to cancel the show.
Hey, you know what? I'm cool with that. I mean, come on, guys. This game is getting old real fast. And we never get to do what we want.
So true. It's not any fun when we don't get to do what we want.
Okay, are we back?
Did no one tell the host?
Tell me what? What's happening?
So the other artists aren't coming, and we're going to cancel the show.
No. My career, what is that even? Oh my God, my career's over.
I'm gonna head out and change. Maybe I'll be still making home in time for Christmas.
Wait! Well, sure, we could just cancel the entire special and TV host career is probably ruined forever. But we can't just leave a live audience and walk away. What live audience?
Oh, that one! Right! You know what? Mabel's right. I think if we all band together, we can still put on a really great show.
Ash, if you could sing anything for the people, what would it be?
Rock!
Well, no.
Oh, I love No Doubt.
And what about you, Giselle?
What about me? Do you like No Doubt?
If you could sing anything you want, what would it be?
R&B, for sure. Wait, R&B? I thought you were a musical theater kid.
I thought you were a musical theater.
No. The musical theater kid is right here.
And it's always been our dream to perform as a duet. You know, we call ourselves something vintage. Sisters. Oh, you're on the lower part of the You're on the
Are we doing this?
So, what do you guys say?
We did bring our backups. So, can you please cue our Christmas backups?
What do I do?
Well, did you learn our names?
Yeah, okay.
So then just a regular intro will do. Relax.
Okay, we can do this. We can do this! Yeah. So, Santa Claus is coming to town? Welcome back to Christmas at Rockville Plaza. Change in plans, friends. It seems our celebrities are stuck at the Rockville Executive Airport. So in their place, the Sleigh Bells performing Santa Claus is Coming to Town. Take it away, Ash. That was amazing. Ash, everybody. All right. Next up, performing Cozy Little Christmas Time, it's sisters Maxine and Mabel. Maxine and Mabel. Way to go, ladies. Very nice job. All right. Next up, thank you, ladies. All right. Next up, singing Sleigh Ride, featuring our theater kid, Chloe, ladies and gentlemen. All right, let's hear it for Chloe, ladies and gentlemen. We can do better than that. Let's give her some applause. All right. Last, but certainly not least, and here to turn up the heat a bit because it's not hot enough in Texas, performing my favorite song, Last Christmas, it's Giselle. Just go to the next song, Giselle. Next song.
Cue up Holly Jolly Christmas.
Holly Jolly Christmas, ladies and gentlemen.
Everyone, you got this. Nicole, you got this. I got this.
It's the best time of the year. I don't know if there'll be snow, but have a cup of cheer. Have a holly jolly Christmas, and when you walk down the town.
Giselle, that was amazing! Friends, I think we can all agree we'd like to see one more number from this amazingly talented gal group, the Sleigh Bells. Come on, yeah! All right, take it away. All right, thank you so much for your energy, audience. Let's give these ladies another round of applause. The Sleigh Bells, ladies and gentlemen.